Alright, here's Crocker Park. And then there's the former Dick's Sporting Goods over here, which is now relocated in Avon. Let's check up on the Schindler elevator here at Union Garage at Crocker Park in Westlake, Ohio. Schindler HT. Somebody must have taken it. See how it's doing since the last time I filmed this thing. Somebody might have taken it. I'm gonna do one round trip on that thing. Just because this thing is like one of the worst elevators here at Crocker Park. Okay, Schindler HT. It's coming up. There it is. Oh, it's got ceiling this time. Let's go to 1. Okay, cat view. Hasn't changed since I was here last time. I see it's 3,500 pounds. Here at 1. Let's go up to 5. Door closes does not work. All right, let's see how this thing does. Here are 5. I'm glad they got ceilings up here this time. Didn't have any ceiling when I was here last time. Let's call it. Watch it close. And that's it.